Nako po mga kababayan, totoo po kaya to? Escudero daw po to file bill banning relatives of the government official daw ho from becoming contractors and suppliers. Siyempre, mas maganda guys ang pag-file ng bill, pag-banning po, hindi lang pong relatives, okay? So, dapat kompleto, may friends din po. Siyempre, may mga government officials din po, no, na hindi natin alam na owner po sila. Pero po, no, naging contractor sila at supplier, pero ibang pangalan ang pinangalan nila po doon. Dahil po na yan sa mga issue na yung mga contractor, suppliers po. Okay? Dahil sa flood control na iyan guys, no? Grabe ito yung Rappler na to. Kakapasok lang nila na balita na kung saan sabi dito sa article po guys na Chis Escuderos daw po top campaign donor bags 5.16 billion pesos daw po guys in flood control projects. Here mababasa natin sa article na yan guys, no, si Chis Escudero daw po ang major campaign donor niya po si Lawrence R. Lubiano. So nakita daw po doon ang kanyang company po, okay? Centerway Construction secure numerous flood control daw po na contracts under PBBM guys or President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. administration. So here makikita naman natin dito guys, Commission on Election daw po guys, no. So yung mga donors, Senator Chis Escudero, isa po ito guys si Lawrence R. Lubiano. So here mababasa natin sa top, okay, na article nila, Lawrence R. Lubiano daw guys, the president of the Centerways Construction guys and Development Incorporated was Escudero's top donor in 2022 elections. So dropping 30 million daw po guys into a senator's campaign funds niya po. So ayan nakikita natin. Alright, so that's 20% of 146.5 million cash contribution po na received by Escudero. Kaya inamin naman po ni Escudero guys na long time friend niya po yan. So Escudero admits Sorsogon contractor po guys, no, is a long time friend. The Senate President Francis Escudero guys on Tuesday daw po went a defensive mode daw po. He was linked to a private, okay, contractor that secured 5.16 billion worth, okay, of flood control project guys sa province niya po sa Sorsogon. Kung saan isa din po yan sa pinangalanan ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos guys na mga top 15 contractors, okay, sa mga flood control project po natin. So nandyan po sa number 7 po, Centerways Construction and Development Incorporated. So ayan po ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. So ang 15 contractors na to guys, no, sabi ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, bag 100 billion in flood control contracts in the past 3 years. Grabe. So balikan natin ulit ang article.